Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making a sweet and savory breakfast sandwich. So to start, you need 2 pieces of brioche toast, salt and pepper. You need some maple syrup, cheddar cheese, 1 egg with chives or green onions, cinnamon, sriracha mayo, and some butter. So to start, I put a piece of butter with some cinnamon and I let it melt. So let it melt. Okay, when it's melted, we're going to put the bun here. And we're going to cook it a little bit until it's a little bit crispy. Okay, add the cheddar cheese. And then while it's cooking, you're going to drizzle a little bit of the maple syrup around it, just to give it a hint. Shake it so the maple syrup can go around the sandwich because you don't want it to be drenched. And then you can take it off at this point. So now we put the second one and let it cook a little bit. Once it's cooked, we're going to drizzle the maple syrup again. Shake so it goes on all sides. So this is what it kind of should look like when done. Okay, now we have our egg and onion. You're just going to add some pepper and some salt. And then you're going to beat it. So you're going to beat it with the whisk. Okay. So for the egg, some people like it runny. I don't really like it runny, but you can have it runny if you want. So let's start with butter. And the egg. And now just let it cook. I usually like it like that. You can cook it more if you like. So once it's finished, the egg will go where the cheese was. And then you're going to put the sriracha mayo here. And then you just close it. And with this, you kind of have to eat it in foil or something because it's a little hard to eat it. So hope you enjoy it. Thank you.